May sigaw. Ang nanay mo.
Inaway mo.
Yan, para kita at matatamaan yung mga side. Mabilisan.
Hey, what's up guys? What's up vlog? It's nice to be back. Wala. Hindi mo lang nawaway.
Wala kaming dalan.
I don't care, I have money, okay? I have money. Say hi to my vlog.
Good vlog. Subscribe to me. No, I'm kidding.
We're going to Bongbong Marcos rally. Yeah, see? All of that is bayad.
May mga store din pala dito eh.
May bili ka ng Jordan mo.
Guys, we're here at Universal Studios. Ano tawag yan? Mundo. Yan guys, kita nyo ba? Pakita ko sa inyo. So yan po. Nandito kami sa LA. Universal Studios. What's up? What's up LA? Marty, hi! Universal.
Gagana mo. Boom. So we're here right now at Universal. You know what I mean, huh? I'm talking about it, okay?
Hi guys!
Hey guys, we're live. Oh, subscribe.
Subscribe!
We're live. We're not. We're not.
Hey, hello! Hi to the vlog! Hi to the hi! Marty!
No.
Hi to the vlog! Hi
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi to the hi to the vlog! Vlog to the hi!
Back to the
Marty, meron na ba?
Ito na, sa pulis na bangga.
Kay Marty, aeroplano.
Yan.
Ito, dito pala.
Ayun yung pulis na bangga.
Dito.
Tanga. We're going to ride a transformer. Here's the victory. Yes, sir. This is Bali. Bartagul. Hey, Bartagul. So, Tracy Molina is here at Universal Studio.
Wala pa tayo nasasakyan, Marty.
Wala pa dahil hindi naman tayo sasakay. Picture pa sila. The studio tour. This is our first. Say hi to the vlog. Studio tour.
Hanggang alas 9 pa tayo ng gabi dito. Marty, di ka salita, Marty.
No. Row 1 and 2.
Our children are a little closer to the middle of your ramp.
Hello, vlog.
We're going to shake them and we want to make sure your children stay on the train. So move them towards
Marty's
the
scared.
Once we fill up the train, you drop your phone off the tram. If you can't wait until the end of the tour to use the restroom, the trip is going to include some tram movements, loud noises, fire effects, and water effects. So keep your phones and cameras ready. We want you to take pictures.
Ready.
And it's an experience, so you're going to have your glasses. Don't put them on your in your hands because we're about to return to the sky.
Nice. Hi. Say hi to the camera.
Once we leave the building, you should take off the 3D glasses. Don't lose the glass. Famous picture cars from movies you chose. Behind each one, there's a billboard to let you know what we use in it. And most of our picture cars work, except for the Flintstones. They don't have engines because the Flintstones don't have engines. The newest car up here, which is not a new car, it's an old car, but the newest one placed up here is the one from Harry Potter. That was placed here last month. We have some vehicles from the Jurassic Park films, the second Jurassic Park, The Lost World, the fourth Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, the gyrosphere was used in that. The next installment of the Jurassic Park series is going to be opening in less than 2 months. Jurassic World Dominion has a release date of June 10th. Chris Pratt, Bryce Dallas Howard, that's the one from Jurassic Park 3 with Sam Neill and William H. Macy. The RV on the left was a mobile laboratory in the second Jurassic Park, The Lost World, that a T-Rex pushed off a cliff while people are trapped inside. You guys might want to see dinosaurs. So we put some on both sides of the tram. They're spitters.
Ayan, Mark. Ayun, nandudura.
Why would we do that? They're doing it again. That's why my seat has a window. That's a perk. I'm going to show you the scene from The Lost World with that RV that we just passed by. Jeff Goldblum, Julianne Moore, and Vince Vaughn are trapped inside. Well, let me show you. We're going to stop here in Old Mexico. We're going to create a storm. We're not going to create any computer effects. No CGI. We're going to do this live, the old way, with sprinklers. We have sprinklers hidden in the trees around in the area. We're going to turn them on. It's going to rain around the tram. There are speakers in the sets for the thunder. And this is how easy it is to make a storm for a movie. The problem with this special effect, we run it all day. Every time a tram stops in Old Mexico, it rains. The water's recycled, but the set is built on a hill. And over the course of the day, a lot of water builds at the top of the hill. At one point, it's all going to rush down, creating a flood. And sometimes the flood hits one of our trams as we pass through. This morning, we are that tram. So be careful if you're sitting on the left side, there's a flood coming.
Oh.
Wait a minute. There it is. Now look up at the monitors. And here's the flash flood and the scene from the movie Big Town Liars. Peacock network called Angeline, and that stars Emmy Rossum. And when we leave Old Mexico, we cross the border into the Old West, and this is a pretty historic part of our backlot. These are some of the first sets built in the studio, originally constructed for silent films back in 1915, and these sets are still used. Quentin Tarantino used this part of our backlot for Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. In the movie, Leonardo DiCaprio's character is an actor working on... Little deadly animals. Yeah, we have all sorts of wildlife on the lot. We have coyote, we have rabbits, we have ducks, we have skunk, we have deer on the back lot, all sorts of wild stripes. All of these picture cars have been abandoned. Nobody knows what happened to the original owners. This is all a set that Steven Spielberg had built for the filming of War of the Worlds.
Airplane daw. Airplane crash.
Set that is all designed around envisioning in this way. You sit down and talk about the world. What if the same for film goes down right in a big area? Because it's just something you don't see.
At this point, we're about 10 minutes into the end of the tour. We're almost back into the theme park. One last reminder, if you have any type of emergency before the tour is finished, please pull that red cord above you and remain seated.
Your jurisdiction.
All right.
Until we have the situation under control. Until then, the interstate car, enjoy the ride.
desire to get off the tram, you join them.
Everybody out! The FBI! Turn that music off!
Why are you breaking up the party? We just got here.
This is the race day after party, and where the other?
Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Neil,
That's right, party's over.
you know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you.
Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours.
Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss!
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you. Shaw traced us. Hobbs can't hold him forever. Letty, Roman, we're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
It's about to get real interesting.
Major.
Aren't allowed to know what the obstacle